Welcome, Dr. D'Agostini. Thank you for joining me here today. It
Thank you.
has been a true pleasure working with you through several career advising appointments during your time as a student and also after graduation. And I am so excited to hear that you recently landed a consulting position at a large healthcare system. So, congratulations on that. And
Thank you.
could you tell us a little bit more about your background and to get us started, what inspired you to pursue your PhD in public health at Walden?
Thank you, Dina. It's a pleasure to be here today. I'm a pharmacist with a PhD in public health. And what inspired me to pursue my degree was my interest in public health and clinical research. Building on my profession as a pharmacist and a healthcare professional, I wanted to expand my expertise and transition from caring for one patient at a time to caring for communities. To do so, I wanted to advance my research skills, and Walden degree, the online degree, offered me flexibility. I was able to continue working while completing my degree. My PhD in public health allowed me to pursue more flexibility type of career opportunities.
That is wonderful, Dr. D'Agostini. And after graduating in 2023, you started looking for new job opportunities that would allow you to use your doctoral level research skills. What are some obstacles that you encountered during your job search?
That's a very good question. I was looking for remote positions that would allow me to be able to be flexible, to travel and maintain a health work-life balance. At the same time, I wanted to move away from pharmacy work and establish myself as a researcher. I found that there were limited remote positions available in the types of work and work settings I was targeting. Therefore, I decided to be proactive and expand my options by starting my own consulting business, Med Affairs Consulting Inc., and seek out potential contracts with hospitals and healthcare organizations.
And how did you work with Walden's career planning and development department to rebrand your professional image from a pharmacist to a doctoral level researcher, and also to integrate your previous public health experience into your overall professional brand?
I worked with career planning and development staff through a series of appointments to learn how to tailor my resume toward research related positions. I learned how to de emphasize my past experience in pharmacology while at the same time communicating my doctoral level research, knowledge, and skills. In addition to my experience with clinical studies and prior experience in public health that I acquired during the COVID-19 pandemic. This process helped me understand how to shift my my professional brand into a new direction so that other people could see my new potential and the value I bring to their organization and research departments.
That is very impressive. And what role did networking play in helping you land your first consulting position for a large hospital system?
When I met with my career advisor, she recommended that I start actively building my network and connecting with other professionals through LinkedIn, Society of Clinical Research Association, Ontario Public Health, and the Walden community. I started connecting with colleagues and clinical research partners who collaborated with me on clinical trial execution initiatives and other scientific forums. And then I met with professional contacts through clinical research organizations who became interested in my strong qualitative research work. Then this was based on experience in organizing and mobilizing community vaccination efforts during the COVID-19 pandemic. And the person I connected with recommended that I apply for a contract position with the hospital where she currently works. Her team facilitated an introductory meeting where my resume was forwarded to the hiring manager. Subsequently, I was invited to a two-stage interview process where the first interview was looking at my skills, my experience, and how does it align with the position. And the second interview was with the senior leaders to confirm the findings from the first interview and discuss in depth how my clinical trial execution experience, research skills, and qualifications would contribute to the success of the organization. The outcome of the final negotiation stage led me to accept the position with the knowledge that other opportunities could lead to an extension of the current contract or additional new contracts. I hope that addressed your question.
Absolutely. What a great powerful story about the power of networking. And also, it sounds like you did so well during your interview and being able to demonstrate your exceptional research skills through that process. And what do you enjoy most about your current contract?
I love this question. I'm passionate about applying qualitative research skills to help deliver healthcare insights and represent the voice of patients and research participants through meaningful data. I truly enjoy managing projects, meeting and collaborating with new people, developing talent, establishing new teams to truly execute diverse research projects and certainly apply my doctoral skills and expertise.
It sounds like through this contract, you are continuing to learn and grow and apply your skills, which is wonderful. What are your future plans?
I'd like to continue consulting, building my reputation and expertise at the doctoral level. The healthcare environment where I currently work includes 3 major hospitals, and there may be a need for additional consulting work after this project. At this time, I enjoy the flexibility that consulting and remote work give me.
It seems like you were really able to establish a solid work-life balance and really impact healthcare systems in a very broad and significant way. And what advice would you give to Walden students and graduates who are interested in consulting work and applying the knowledge that they gain in their academic program to make a difference in organizations?
Today, the average person will likely switch careers multiple times over the course of their working years. Therefore, the concept of career rebranding, the art of reinventing oneself professionally, is necessary. My advice would be to embrace change. It is the catalyst for rebranding. Engage in self-reflection to gain clarity on why you need to rebrand your career. It's important to be authentic and find purpose. And to my Walden student colleagues and pursuing their rebranding, I would say take time to research and explore potential career paths. Craft a compelling narrative. This involves highlighting your transferable skills, updating your resume and LinkedIn profile. I would like to encourage Walden students to connect with career planning and development for support in preparing all aspects of a compelling narrative. I can't emphasize enough the importance of this step. I strongly believe that I've secured my current job because of working closely with career planning and development on career rebranding every step of the way. Career planning and development not only helped me stay focused, but also enabled me to propel my career forward with courage and determination. Finally, I encourage Walden students to reach out to mentors, colleagues, and industry connections. You never know where the hidden opportunities reside. Be flexible and resilient. Setbacks are expected in this journey, but can lead to opportunities for growth and learning. Career branding is about seizing opportunities and taking decisive action.
These are very good points about professional branding and rebranding, networking, and getting out there and meeting people. And your story really reflects that power of networking for consulting work, but more broadly for career development across the board. So thank you for sharing your career journey and insights with us today. And I wish you the very best as you continue to grow your consulting business and find new opportunities to apply your Walden degree.
Thank you, Dina. It's a pleasure being with you today, and thank you for the opportunity to answer your questions.